All right, guys, how you doing? Just want to give an update to uh, the Harbor Freight miter saw stand. A while back, I did an open box and how to on that stand. I've been using it pretty much very much instant. Been using it a lot recently for my home project. Check those videos out. I'm posting them on my video log of home improvement. But anyway, I've been using it and it just dawned on me how well this thing's operating. Just want to give it a quick update. Again, this is a short, but I had to go pick up some 2x4 pressure treated 2x4. Not 2x4, 2x14, put it that way. And I got the legs all extended out to handle this 2x14 board to get a nice cut on it. So I just want to show you guys, it's really worth money for $100, usually on sale. I saw it as low as $89. So here's my about to do this cut, and I just want to show it to you guys how got it set up. I had to pick up a 2x14 pressure treated. Got my miter saw all on it, and as you can see, extending all the way down to the end, and it's helping me keep it on my miter saw level so I can get a nice cut. So I just wanted to bring that to you for the guys on the fence if it's really worth the money. I'm telling you, it is. I'm so glad I got this thing. I usually had a two sawzall trying to keep it level, and it was all just a pain. This thing is made very well for the price. It does the job. So if you're looking for a miter saw, a table, and you want to save a couple of bucks, you don't want to get the brand name, consider picking this one up. Look at my video when I set it up. I had to modify it a little bit for the stand, but overall, I'm very happy with it. And again, I just want to bring an update to the video on how it's working, how it's operating, how it's working for me. It's doing very well. And I got an O to Y miter saw on here. Not the recent one. Had this one for quite a while, and have all my jigs and everything set up to it to help me get good cuts. So again, this is a 2x14 I'm cutting on here, and it's working out pretty well. So just want to bring that up to you, show you a little update. If you're considering to pick up this the Harbor Freight miter saw, you can see right here, I picked it up Harbor Freight. This is a Chicago electrician power saw, heavy duty miter saw. Check out my video when I set it up for some pointers on it, and that's it. So just want to bring that to you guys, let you know what I'm doing, and just be safe out there. All right, bye.